Beauty is subjective. Hi friends, my name is Kelly. I'm a content creator and founder of And I Get Dressed. I started Fat at Fashion Week because I was at an event and I just happened to be surrounded by some of the most incredible women in the fashion industry who happen to be larger women. And I thought, we're here. I felt so inspired and encouraged. When I went to go snap a photo of myself after the event, I just threw in the hashtag Fat at Fashion Week and it sort of took off from there. What's exciting about Fat at Fashion Week is that it's not just about visibility, it's an invitation for other people who look like me to join the fashion industry. There are so many spaces and places for people of all sizes to work in the industry that women around the world started using the hashtag. It's exciting and it's such an honor. One of the ways that the current beauty standard can be dismantled, especially the fashion and beauty industry, is for brands to recognize that it is their duty to represent the people that are buying their products. We all are different. And so only showing us one way to buy a skincare product or a lipstick or an eyeshadow is not only dishonest, it does everyone a disservice. Social media is incredible. It's a fantastic tool, it's a connector, but it also can be a little bit of a scary place. One of the ways that I keep, my sanity, but also my self-confidence rooted is that people don't give you self-confidence. It's something that is inside of you. So what they don't give you, they cannot take away. 2, I like to surround myself with good vibes. And that means the people that I follow, they are pouring something good out into the world. They are encouraging, they are sharing messages of inclusion, of self-love. I personally try to keep my content really honest, sometimes expressing vulnerability when I feel afraid to do something. I have a video where I wore something that I was afraid of for a week, sleeves. I'm not like the most confident about my arms. I wanted to show that I'm not like a pillar of confidence and no one is. And we all have things that we are a little bit shaky about or a little bit afraid of. And 2, that doesn't have to be a permanent position in your mind. You can tackle these things. You can put yourself out there, do things that you're afraid of, and grow from it. Okay, this might sound cheesy, but it's just the truth and you've heard it before, but you really do have to have conversations with yourself. Our internal monologue or dialogue, what is the word? I don't know, but our internal conversation with ourselves is the most important thing. Your mind believes you. Your mind believes what you tell it. If you're having negative thoughts, it's so important to verbalize positive ones and saying them until you believe them. We need to reinforce the positive ourselves with the conversations we have with ourselves. The advice that I would offer to anyone who is looking to just express themselves creatively, whether it's online, in real life, is that life is just too short to bog yourself down with negativity. If you want to try the eyeshadow, wear the bold lip, wear the bright color, things that are gonna make you happy, don't not do them because you're afraid of how people might perceive you. Be confident, do what you wanna do, express yourself creatively, do all the things that are gonna bring you happy. Do all the things that are gonna bring you joy.